Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and choose the right category on Craigslist. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Craigslist website if you have not already by going to craigslist.org right here, and it's going to open up this main page where you can take a look at your location at the top of the screen. If it has not already been automatically selected for you, you can go ahead and open up your location, select where you are. So from there now we can get started logging in. You want to go ahead and log into your account so you can go ahead and get started posting ads, and in the upper right corner you have the account option. This is going to enable you to sign up for an account if you do not already have one, or if you have one, just go ahead and log in. So once you've logged in, now we can get started posting an ad. And let's go and take a look at how to choose the right category. So by clicking the post an ad option, it's going to enable you to go ahead and get started posting an ad, choosing what type of posting this is: job offer, gig offer, housing offer, whatever you want to go ahead and offer. You can go ahead and select right here. It's going to take you to the next page. Here we get started choosing a category, and this is the important step. So here you want to see what is important to choose the right category. You must know what you're offering. If it's a bike, you're going to put it in the motorcycle section. If you're offering a job in accounting, finance, you're going to select finance right here, and so on. You have multiple options. If it's writing and editing, you can select right here, and it's going to take you to the next page where you can fill out a form to give even more info about what you're offering. And basically that's how you get started choosing a category. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.